Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and settings so you won't troubleshoot later. Plug the capture card into USB 3.0 or PCIe and connect Xbox HDMI out to the card's HDMI in, then connect the card's HDMI out to your TV or monitor. Once done, install drivers and open OBS or the vendor app because software maps the input. Also disable HDCP on the Xbox so captured content isn't blocked. This makes recording and streaming possible without now you configure software to receive the feed and produce clean output. In OBS, add a video capture device, pick your capture card, and set base and output resolution to 1080p with 60 frames per second. That preserves smooth motion. Make sure audio tracks use the capture card for game sound and your microphone for commentary, then balance levels in the mixer. To reduce delay, enable low latency or pass-through features on the card, and assign hotkeys so you can start recording or streaming instantly. Finish by testing a short recording and watching for audio/video sync, dropped frames, and compression artifacts. If you see problems, first switch to a different USB 3.0 port or a shorter high-quality HDMI cable, then update capture card firmware and drivers. Those fixes resolve most issues. If performance still lags, lower encoder bitrate or resolution in OBS. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio is out of sync, enable audio delay adjustment in your software. Small millisecond shifts will realign commentary with gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.